this isn't very good.
Yeah, it needs to, like, be more cool.
Hey, it's that Luca chick.
Yeah, the one from the second floor. Blood? Blood? She said blood!
Yeah. It wasn't very cool, though. She went to one of those places in the mall where you make your own video.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to one of those. It's gonna be cool.
Oh, yeah? Whoa, that's that shiny dude from that Janet Jackson video.
Yeah. When Janet finds out that he's messing around with Luca, she's gonna kick his ass.
Yeah. That dude gets all the chicks.